Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, or good evening. John Jarvis here from ebusinessmasterclass.com. This video is a part of the Content Creation Masterclass from the First Page Traffic System section of the EBM website, and EBM meaning eBusiness Masterclass, of course. This course is also known as Monster Traffic Systems. It's about the many ways to get thousands of people coming to your website. Millions of visitors every month if that's what you're looking to do. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you the easiest way to add unique, original content to your website. I'm going to let you know up front that it does involve videos. If you know how to create your own video, great. If not, you can use any video from YouTube, even if it belongs to someone else. It's always best to use our own, of course. Now what you need to do is create a video transcript, meaning what the video creator is saying in the video. What I'm going to do is upload a video myself and show you how to do this. Alright, I'm on the eBusiness Masterclass YouTube channel, and I want you to notice this right here. This tab allows people to upload videos to choose whether they are public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. YouTube terms and conditions state that anyone that saves a video as public is allowing anyone to embed these videos on any website. What I'm going to do is publish this video and show you how to embed it on a website, and also something that you need to do that I'm going to do myself is create a new post or a page, post actually rank better, on your website or your blog, and use a title that you think people will be looking for information on. So I'll see you shortly. Alright, here we are back at YouTube, and that's the video that I just uploaded, and it's called How to Create a Login Form for a Wishlist Membership Website. Any video between 3 and 5 minutes long should give you enough content, as long as the creator of the video is using words, of course. Just make sure the video is on the same topic as your website is about. Try to find a video without too much branding from the video creator. Try to make sure that the video doesn't have a strong call to action that's going to lead people away from your website to their website. After you've found a video that fits in with what you do, right-click and click on Get Embed Code like this. Now you want to right-click and copy. What we need to do now is open up a WordPad or a Notepad document and paste it. Right here you want to change the size. The proper size for a blog is usually 580 by 320. So let's change this. And that's the code that needs to be added to your website. Speaking of your website, now you need to create a page on your website that has the title that you're looking to get a few website visitors from. So I'll meet you back in WordPress. So we're inside of my WordPress dashboard, and I want you to do exactly as I do, step by step. Now you're going to notice over here this SEO Pressure Score. This is a premium WordPress plugin that I use, and I'm going to see how well I can show you how to optimize a blog post without using it. Then when we're just about finished, I'll check and see how well I did and let you see. So what I want you to do right now is open up a document and add the title. Then I want you to add the first sentence, and all you have to say is what the web page is about. Just like this. The title of your web page, How to Create a Login Form for a Wishlist Membership Website. Your first sentence, if this were your title, would be this web page will show you how to create a login form for a Wishlist Membership Website. Then add a second sentence. Your second sentence should be related to what the first one is, and to what your website is about, of course. So Wishlist Member is a WordPress plugin used when learning how to build a membership website. And then add your third sentence. What you do when you create a web page that the search engines just love is tell people what you're going to tell them. Then you tell them what you're telling them. Then at the bottom of the page, you again tell them what you just told them. So just to make this clear, Tell them what you're going to tell them, and then tell them what you told them. Pretty cool, huh? The next step, you add video and then the title again. What that's going to be is your second heading of your blog post or your web page, preferably blog post. Next, this is where your video transcript comes into play. You need to get a transcript of what was being said in that video that you just copied. So your third heading is going to be video transcript for the title of the web page. And then you write, below is the video transcript for how to create a login form for a wishlist membership website. So what you do next is go grab all of the text from the transcript and you paste it right there. And that's what you're going to end up with. What you do then is select all, copy it, take it back to the blog post. Right there, make sure you're on visual, not text, but visual. Paste it. And I use Control V for this. Let's save this draft. And so far, we're ending up with 544 words of content for this post. Perfect. And all you did was what? Create 3 lines? So what I do next is start organizing this the way the search engines like. What I want you to do is highlight all of the text. And right here, I want you to choose font size 12. I want you to choose your text color. And in this theme, it's black. And font family, if you have your Tiny MCE Advanced plugin set up right, I choose Tahoma. Okay, what I want you to do is place your cursor right there, hit your Enter key on your keyboard, and put 5 X's. Highlight these X's. I want you to add media, upload files, and someplace on your desktop you should have a small image, no more than 200 pixels wide, that has the same title as your blog post. And I created this one right here. So left click and drag it in. Now over here, caption, what I want you to do is add the title again. Right here for your alt text, same thing. How to create a login form for wishlist. I want you to align it left, link to nothing, insert into post. Now again, you can highlight this stuff. I choose bold, font size 10, color black, font family Tahoma. Now let's take a look at this preview. You can see that it's starting to look like something, just starting. So next, highlight this top title, make it heading 1, font size 10. Now where these X's are in your second title and your third title, highlight them. First let's give that a space, and let's give this a space. Now let's center this. Okay, just give a space in between each one here. This one, highlight it. This is going to be heading 2. Make sure you bold it. This one. Again, bold. And heading 3. Now let's preview it. Okay, what I want to do now is add that video. So we go back here, change it to text, find those X's, they're right here. What I want you to do is paste that embed code that you copied earlier right there. Now change it back to visual. Now let's preview it. Looking much better. I made this 250 pixels wide. I should have made it a little bit smaller. So what I'll do maybe is straighten it up. But anyway, all of this text down here, these are all the words that you picked up from the video. You didn't have to write any of this yourself at all. Just basically type it out. So what I want to do is make sure at the end you have some kind of a call to action. So let's go back and do that. Okay, here's just a little bit more text, and this is all about a call to action. So what I'm going to do is highlight all of this, take it back and paste it onto the blog post. And the post is finished up. And there's not much sense in me spending a lot of time on this when I can just give you the link and you can go take a look at it yourself. But one thing that I did promise you, I want to show you what the SEO score is going to be. So without using the SEO presser, let's see how well I did. Let's save the draft. And most blog posts and web pages are optimized below 30%. So if we get below 30%, it's bad. But 90%, now that is pretty close to being perfect. It is possible to get up to 100%, but it's not worth the time spent to try. 90% is really good. So let's publish this blog post. And I'm going to view the post. And I'm going to send it out to people on the list. So we created around 800 words of content, and we did it all from one video. And again, it's better if the video is yours, but if it's not yours, it doesn't matter. It's all legit. And this is content on your website that's going to be found by the search engines. And I hope you enjoyed this module, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.